guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I did this frame. It's a really pretty studded frame. It says you will forever be my always. So if you guys want to know how I did it, go ahead and keep watching. Wall stickers, and I'm gonna cut them out to see if they're going to fit in this frame. This one says you will forever be my always, and then this one says women are angels, when someone breaks our wings we continue to fly. I think this is gonna be too long, so I'm probably just gonna go with the other one, but I'll go ahead and cut them out and see how they turn out. So this one is a little tight, so I don't think I will do this one. I can try this way, but yeah, it's still gonna be tight, so I'm not gonna do this one. So for this part, I didn't realize that I would have to screw these little pieces off. So I suggest, instead of getting these, you guys just get the frames that you just snap right off, like the ones that just snap off and you could just easily remove the glass and all the paper. I should have checked it out before I bought these, but since I already bought these and spray painted them, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove these and just toss them out. I don't need them, since I will be just gluing these with the Fix All adhesive I purchased at Dollar Tree. That's just a little something I didn't realize I needed to do. So if you guys want to avoid doing this, just go ahead and purchase the frames that snap right off, so you don't have to be doing all this extra work. Okay, so once it is dry, I will be applying the stickers on there, and for mine I'm gonna do mine the long way. So let's see. So for this one, I'm also going to be using the hearts from this wall sticker pack, also purchased at Dollar Tree, and I just want to add some to the sides here. So I couldn't find my Fix All adhesive, but I'm gonna be using the super glue that I purchased at Walmart. It comes in a pack of 4 and it's usually like $1.12. And I'm just gonna put some on the edge here on the inner part. This next piece, we're gonna glue this facing up, which is the back part to it, back part of the frame. We're gonna glue that backwards, if that makes sense. So when we put the top part to it, it's looking up. I hope that makes sense. If not, just keep watching. If you guys don't want to put any of the sequins in there, look at how nice that looks. Let me see. Sorry you guys can see everything in the back, but it would just look really, really nice without any sequins in there as well. So I'm gonna be using these sequins bags, and I'm not gonna use all of the colors. I'm only gonna use these gold looking ones, the rose gold and the gold ones. I got 2 packs, so in total I'll be using these 6 little baggies. So here I'm just gonna spread it out so that when I glue it, it's easier to press down on so that the glue can stick. I want it to be as flat as possible for this. And next I'll be gluing this together. So to glue both frames together, we are gonna use the glue, again, super glue, all over the outside. So next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this really pretty ribbon that I found at the 99-cent store. It's like in a rose gold color. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this around the frame. Since this one is wide, I'm gonna cut only half of this and then cut this in half as well. I'll show you guys what I mean. So I'm just gonna measure it from here and all the way over here. And I'm gonna cut it right there. So I'm just gonna cut it up to here. And then I'm gonna take this and cut it down the middle, so it's gonna look like that. And it'll be a perfect fit for the frame. So now you guys have enough for the whole thing. And for this, I'm going to be using my glue gun to glue this together. So unfortunately, it didn't work out how I planned. All my sequins fell out, but I'm still gonna go ahead and finish this up, and I'll show you guys what it's gonna look like when it's done. I might just keep it as a frame. I like how it's coming out, so a little disappointed, but I'm gonna keep going. I already cut these out this length, but now I'm just gonna get the other two and cut them down a little bit more. Actually, I'll do that after. So even though it didn't turn out how I wanted it to, I still ended up liking the look, so I'm not gonna destroy it. I'm not gonna start over. I'm actually gonna keep it as is. I still think it's really pretty. Just, I mean, no sequins. All fell out, but I mean, it's a little experience. Next time I'll try a different way. I think it had to do with the frames. But I'll keep trying. I'm not gonna give up, but I still ended up liking how this looked, so I went ahead and finished it up. That's how it looks on the sides. So I like it. Pretty nice for like a beauty room, an office. So I hope you guys like it and enjoyed this video, even though it didn't work out how I planned it to go. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed.